Guess the Italian brain rot AI animals. Ready to start? Who's our first character?
Bobrelli Cactuselli.
Who do you think it is? Yes, this is number 9.
Bobrelli Cactuselli.
Next challenge for you. Only 5% of you can like this video and subscribe before time runs out. Can you figure it out?
Sono l'orrendo polpone salsiccione con tanto di bastone.
Absolutely, it's number 16.
Sono l'orrendo polpone salsiccione con tanto di bastone.
Who's the character?
Alessio!
Well done, that's number 5.
Alessio! Alessio!
Who's this character?
Torrtuginni Watermellonini.
That's number 1.
Torrtuginni Watermellonini.
Would you rather have
Plutoniro Crocodrilo, un fottuto alligatore flottante che...
or
Ganganzelli Trulala, giraffe mafiosi.
show your choice, subscribe or like? Let us know your answer in the comments. Recognize this character?
Ballerina Blueberrella.
It's number 10.
Ballerina Blueberrella.
What character do you think this is?
Gattino Aeroplanino.
Who do you think it is? It's number 11.
Gattino Aeroplanino, the crash.
How about this one?
Perochello Lemonchello.
It's number 4.
Perochello Lemoncello.
Can you guess the monster?
Pippi Poppa. Pippo Peppe.
Who do you think it is? Bingo, it's number 14.
Pippi Poppa. Pippo Peppe.
Can you guess who this is?
Antoniooo.
Who do you think it is? And the answer is number 6.
Antoniooo.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess who this is?
Plutoniro Crocodrilo.
It's number 15.
Plutoniro Crocodrilo. Un fottuto.
Recognize this character?
Pappagallo Pistolla che mira da scuola.
Who do you think it is? It's number 12.
Pappagallo Pistolla che mira da scuola.
Rate the hybrid of
Tirilicalica! Tirilicalaco! Era un pollo con l'aria condizionata nel deserto che camminava alla ricerca del frigo camelo bufo fardelo e dell'irili.
rate in the comments with an emoji. Next up,
Ballerina Bobrina Cocosina.
it's number 8.
Ballerina Bobrina Cocosina.
What character do you think this is?
Ganganzelli Trulala.
Who do you think it is? And the answer is number 3.
Ganganzelli Trulala. Giraffe.
Next up,
Sigma Boy.
who do you think it is? It's number 2.
Sigma Boy.
Who's the character?
Armodillo Cocodillo.
It's number 7.
Armodillo Cocodillo.
Can you figure it out?
Pinguinelli Cactusini.
Absolutely, it's number 13.
Pinguinelli Cactusini.